good morning. How are you today?
Today, uh, today is same as working day.
Yes. Okay then. So nothing special for this day. Like it's just another day.
Yes, like another day. Mm.
Okay then. But it's a hump day today. So it's the middle of the work week again. So I hope that you still have energy left to get over or go over this whole week. All right?
Yes, thank you.
Okay then. Well, anyway, today we're gonna go straight to your lesson on the vowel sounds. So are you ready to start?
Yes, okay, I let you about it. Mm.
Okay. By the way, did you try to record the sentences that I told you yesterday?
I not yet record it.
Uh, okay then. Well, I hope that you find time to record those sentences so that you can check them after we finish studying this book to see if there are any improvements. All right?
Okay, yes.
Okay then. You can do it one by one or let's say two sentences per day if you want to. All right?
Okay, yes.
Okay. So anyhow, our first lesson for this day. So after a few days of going over the initial tests, we're finally going to start with lesson one, which is the long E sound. Okay, so what is
Yes.
the sound of this vowel again?
Long E sound. Yes.
hmm What is its sound? What sound do you make for this
Uh,
vowel?
E.
Yes, E. Okay, very good. So just an overview for this one. So we have tongue placements and also lip placements for the vowel sounds. So the first one is height. Next one is advancement. The third one is the lip rounding and the tenseness. All right?
Yes.
Okay, then. So for the height of this vowel sound, it is high. For the advancement, it's a front. And the lip rounding is unrounded and tense. Okay?
Yes.
So if you're going to observe it while you're producing this vowel sound, the height of your tongue is high. E, E. Okay?
E. E.
Yes. So if you can see the image here, your tongue is at that part. So it reaches that part. So E. All right?
E. Yes.
Yes. Okay. And the advancement, it's front. And the lip rounding is obviously unrounded. So it's almost like E, like you're smiling, right?
Yes.
Yes. So the tenseness, it's tense. Okay. So it's like, forgive me for saying this, but I think this is the best explanation for line vowel sound, I mean. So in cases like this, so for example, when you go to the restroom, like
Yes.
take a break,
Yes.
like if nature is like that, and for example, you're let's say pooping like that, and when you make sometimes it's hard, right, for it to
Yes.
come out. So you do that sound, right? That's
Uh, understand.
you.
Yes.
So that is how tense it is. Okay,
E. E.
almost like you are waste putting a waste like that. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So it's very tense. Okay, so make sure that it's tense because sometimes if it's not tense, you cannot really achieve the proper sound of this vowel. For example, listen to this. So if it's tense, it's like this, E. But if
E.
it's lax,
Yes.
if it's lax, it will sound like this, E,
E.
E, E, E.
Uh,
Is there any difference there?
it is. I think that less tense.
That is true. That is true. So it
Yes.
is important that we use tenseness or we produce the sound with a tense movement so that we can produce the proper vowel sound. All right?
Yes.
Okay, then. Well, do you have any questions about the tongue placements?
Know about it. Yes.
Okay, then. Well, let's move on to the spelling patterns. Okay, so we have a total of 8 spelling patterns for these ones. And as you know, for the spelling patterns, these are a guide on how we can identify or where we can use this vowel sound. So the first one, if the word has a double E, okay?
Yes.
So if the word has a double E, it means that you're going to use the E sound for those letters, okay? Like the word
Yes.
tree, cheese,
Three.
okay?
Cheese. Yeah.
Try to put more tenseness. Tree, cheese.
Three. Cheese.
Good job. Okay. By the way, I forgot to do this, but let's try to produce the vowel sound first. Three
Yeah.
times
Uh,
E, E, E.
E. E. E.
Could you do it one more time, please?
E. E. E.
Oh, you almost sound like E. So E, E, E.
E. E. E.
Good job. Okay. So anyway, that's it for the first spelling pattern. Words that have a double E. So we're going to pronounce them with the E sound. Okay. And then for the
Yes.
second spelling pattern, EA.
E.
So
A.
if the word has the letter EA or at in the middle, we can pronounce or we can use this vowel sound. Could you please read the sample words?
Yes. Leave. Leave. Listen.
Yes, leave and reason.
Listen.
Very good. And then also the third spelling pattern for words that have IE. Okay, so if
Yes.
they have IE in the middle, usually we pronounce them with the E sound, like believe, receive, like that. Oh, believe,
Uh,
I mean believe. Okay, so could you please read this one, the sample
yes.
words?
Uh, Peace. Feed.
Yes. Okay. And also, since it's the long E sound, then we're going to pronounce this in a much longer duration. Okay.
Yes.
E like that. So
E.
P, field.
Peace. Field.
Good job. Okay. And then the fourth spelling pattern, words that end in letter E. Could you please
E.
read the samples?
Yes. Me. She.
Yes, good job. Okay, and then for the fifth one, so it means the letter C there stands for consonant. Okay, so
Yes.
if the letter E, if there's an E and then there's a consonant in between them, then we are going to use these vowel sounds. So if the word ends in E and then the preceding word or the yes, the preceding word is E, I mean C, then we're going to use this sound for this part, okay?
Yes.
So here, letter E here, this is where we're going to use long E sound, all right?
Yes.
Okay, so could you please read it?
Uh, Complete these.
Okay, could you please try again on the first word, complete?
Complete.
Yes, okay, so always remember that it's a long E sound, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Mhm. Then the next one, words that end in Y.
Why?
Could you please read the samples?
City. Busy.
Okay, let's do it like this. C, busy.
Teacher, pardon me.
City,
Ah,
busy.
city. Busy.
Yes, okay, because if you're going to say city, the stress of the word is already at a different part. So
Yes.
as the words city and busy, the stress of the word is at the first part. Okay,
Yes.
so city, busy, not city, not city.
Uh,
Okay, city, busy. All right.
yes.
Okay, and then the seventh spelling pattern. So words that have ei or ends in e. E-Y.
EY.
Okay, could you please read it?
Receive. Key.
Good job. Receive and a key. How about number 8? This is if the word has an I in between.
Yes. Machine. Unique.
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 Machine and unique. Okay, so do you have any questions about the spelling patterns that we have for the long E
No, not have. Yeah.
sound? Okay, then. So let's move on to the word practice. Okay, so for this one, these are just some sample words, the spelling patterns that we have. All right, let's start
Yes.
by practice reading it on the this one. So words that have a double E. Could you please read them
Yes.
from left to right?
Uh, Tree. Cheese. Sea. Seed. Fee. Feed. Beef. Feet. Need. Meat.
Okay, then. And also, if you're going to notice below it, this is the ITA symbol of these words. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Any questions about the words here?
No. Yeah.
Nothing. Okay, let's move
Yes.
on to the next page. The next spelling pattern. So
Yeah.
words that has EA in them. Again, please from left to right, you can start.
Oh. Each. Eagle. Sit. Tea. Leap. Jeans. Please. Team. Beach. Legion.
Okay. Let's try it again here. Seat.
Seat.
Okay, and then jeans.
Jeans.
Okay, and then please.
Please.
Okay, and in this part, the vowel sound is correct, but try to practice more on this sound. Okay, the R sound. Reason.
Reason.
Yes. Okay, and then let's move on to the next. The IE. Your time.
Okay. Uh, Peace. Faith. Achieve. Brave. Niece. Desire. Believe. Thief. Grip. Cheap.
Okay. There are some words here that we are going to practice. So for the first one, field.
Field.
Okay, this is not failed. The word failed is spelled like this. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is failed. This is field.
Field. Field.
And also, I have noticed that for the F sound, not P sound. Okay, so the F sound, brief.
Brief.
Yes, brief.
Brief.
Okay, and then thief,
Thief.
grief.
Brief.
One more time, grief.
Grief.
And then chief.
Chief.
Okay, and then for this one, believe.
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 Okay, and then this one, diesel.
Diesel.
Okay, good job. Any questions here?
Yes, no question.
Okay, let's move on to the next one then.
Okay. Me, we, she, he, equal, genius, secret, emu, evil, eagle.
Very good. Okay, then. Well, anyway, do you have any questions about the words that are written there?
No, yes, no,
No questions.
yeah,
Okay,
no.
so and fortunately, our time is already over, so we'll continue this again tomorrow, still on the word practice, but we're going to start in this part tomorrow. All right?
Yes, thank you, teacher.
Okay, then. Thank you so much for your time today, James. Bye
Yeah.
bye.